The SMART program is our precision oncology platform. We are utilizing the platform to help learn about tumor biology and how it evolves over time. And with each iteration, we hope to identify targets that we can uh, uh, target for the tumor to gain some effect. So the program is needed because of how cancer is a very heterogeneous disease. Not only is it different from person to person, but it's also different in the person's body as it changes over time. And so the reason why the program is needed is to help interrogate what those differences are in order to best optimize treatment. So the way the program works is that we have a patient who is interested in, gets enrolled into the program, and from there we obtain a small tissue sample of the cancer, and that will serve as a baseline. And from that tissue sample, we run a multitude of analytics to help, identify the different layers of biology that we are interested in. And so once we have all that information available, we go through a tumor board that has a lot of specialists there to help review the data, provide input on what therapy we can suggest. And once we have the patient receive that therapy, we do longitudinal monitoring over time to really understand how that tumor responds. And if we do see signs of progression, the patient is invited to come back and we can do another biopsy to get understand what are some of the reasons for the tumor not responding to the therapy, and more importantly, can we find another way of finding some of its weaknesses. So right now we have some preliminary results that are looking at a couple of areas. One, because the program is interested in tumor biology over time, we have been able to realize that some of the receptors are changing in response to therapy. So tumor heterogeneity, as it evolved over time, is one aspect of the program that we are finding out. The other part, and it's also very exciting, is we are starting to see signals that we are getting clinical benefit for patients that received a matched therapy. Um, there's going to be more analysis to come, but we're excited to really show that the program has some value in finding out molecular weaknesses that is available for current treatment to help uh, target it. The way that we would have been helping our patients so far is one, cancer is a very complex disease and very different. So the way we're able to help our clinicians right now is by helping our clinicians figure out what are some unique treatments that we can identify that could be beneficial, something that might not have been picked up through standard of care. And so from the tumor board providing input and insight on various treatments, we kind of give options, right, for that treating physician. And then secondly, not only do we want to help provide recommendations, we also work alongside our provider to see if we can help obtain the drug so that they can actually utilize it for their patient.